In this video we want to create a trailing stop for sell trades. You can see here the red line is the trailing stop, and when the price falls, the trailing stop will follow. So let's find out how to code something like this in MQL4. To do that, please click on the little button here or press F4 in your Metatrader. Now you should see the Metaeditor window, and here you want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file SimpleSellTrailingStop. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now we can delete everything that is above the OnTick function. And let's also remove the two command lines here. Inside of the OnTick function we first want to check if we have no open orders. That is done by checking if the function ordersTotal delivers a value below 1. And if this is the case, we want to open a demo sell trade. So let's actually call that sell ticket. Because if we don't have open positions, we will not find out if the trailing stop works. Obviously, you wouldn't do that on a real account without any entry signal. So let's use order send to open a demo trade for 10 microlot. Now we want to go through all the open orders. We use ordersTotal to give us the current number of orders. And we use a for loop to count down from the number of orders we have. Inside of the for loop, we use orderSelect, the number of the current order. We want to select by position. And we use mode_trades, as we want to find out everything about the open orders. In our case, we want to check if the order belongs to the current chart. That is done by comparing the return value for the function order symbol with the return value of the function symbol. And I would also like to find out if the current order type equals OP_sell, because this is what we need to find the sell orders. In the next step, we need to find out if the order stop loss equals 0, or if the order stop loss is too high and is bigger than the current bid price plus 150 points. And if this is the case, we use order modify for the current ticket number that has the order open price. We now want to set the current stop loss to 150 points above the bid price. The order take profit value will not be changed. We don't need any expiration date, and we don't need a color. Please don't forget to close all the braces here. And that's about it. If this is too complicated for you right now, you maybe want to watch the other videos in this basic series. Or if you're interested, you could also become a member of the premium course. For now, please click on the compile button here or press F7. We get one warning that we should check the order modify return value. But for this simple example, we don't need to do that. So if you don't have any errors here, you can now click on the little button here or press F4 to go back to Metatrader. And in Metatrader, we just pick a clean chart, right click into the chart, select template, save template, and we save it as tester.tpl, as this is the template that is going to be used in the strategy tester. You can overwrite the current one, and when you're done you can click on View, Strategy Tester, or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the new file SimpleSellTrailingStop.ex4. Mark the option for the visual mode here and start a test. And here we are. This is our sell trade. And we should see the trailing stop coming down. There it is. And in this little video you have learned how to create an automated trailing stop for sell trades. And you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL4 code.